Yeah, and something cool to mention here is that this is in Härnösand, which is the small town that Lena grew up in. IKEA, for all you Americans out there who know that brand, that's a little further south in a town called Sundsvall. So if we can't find what we're looking for here, we're gonna go down there. So let's go. So we just got back out of EO, and I didn't realize it was going to be the Swedish version of Pottery Barn.
He kept saying everything is so expensive. Everything is so expensive. So,
Yeah,
but it was super nice stuff.
I was just a little sticker shock, that's all. But there was definitely some nice furniture. We met a great Cuban that was working in there. He, had a great conversation with him, and he showed us around and all that kind of stuff. We have a few options, but they're like 6 to 8 weeks out, so it just wasn't, on our timeline. We're looking for something for today. So now we're gonna go to
Yes.
All right, let's go. Some of my prices. Two things I like about this store already. One, in my price range. B, we can get them today. So one thing to understand, in Swedish culture, the beds are definitely different than American beds. As you can see, it's usually two smaller beds put together to create a larger bed. The home actually was set up to have the beds separated, right?
Yeah, they were on opposite sides of the bed, smaller beds. So.
Yeah, I might prefer that because I'd be able to sleep a little bit better without this one kicking me, but she loves me, so she wants to sleep next to me. I think we found a winner. Found my price range. Store number 2, we found a couch that we liked, but it's not on the timeline. It's going to take a couple weeks.
It is too long.
It was just a little too long. So it looks like IKEA is on the docket. Probably not going to get there today because we've got a birthday.
Yeah, my dad's birthday today, so we're going to go eat some cake and have some fika.
So yesterday, we didn't find what we were looking for in Lewistown, so we had to come to the big city down here so that way we can come to
IKEA.
Come on, let's go check it out. So I think we may have found a winner.
Yeah, I think this is the couch we're going to go with. Just make it shorter and call it a day.
So IKEA, thank you again for helping us figure out where to have furniture at home. Just got done with IKEA. We got a couch, we got a bed, we got some silverware, we got a chair, we got a chase, all kinds of good stuff. We're gonna go get it over to the house, and then we're gonna go play some boat bingo. Good job, ladies.
Thank you.
Christer.
Yeah,
Bra.
tackar.